Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? How is everyone at home? Allah will continue to be with us. Allahumma Ameen. This is presentation from Citywide International School, Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Primary 3 Mathematics, presented by Mr. Ganiyu Rashid. Inshallah, today we mark the end of this week topic, which is lesson 4 of week 3, and the topic that we are going to deal with is word problems on least common multiples. So that is what we want to do inshallah today. Let us start with the examples. The first question that is given to you is this: multiply the LCM of 14 and 21 by 3. When you want to do this kind of question, you will underline that multiply and you will underline that 3 as well. Or you can interpret it out by writing it out. That is, you will now write LCM of 14 and 21 times 3. But the first thing you are to do, you are going to find the LCM of 14 and 21. So after that, you will now multiply your answer by 3. I repeat, once you are given this kind of question, the first thing you are to do, you will find the LCM of 41 and 21. After that, you will now multiply the answer by 3. That will give you the final answer. Now, let us start with it now. So, you will write 14 and 21 as you are told. You will now think of the divisor that can go in at least one of the number. So, by saying what? How many 2 are you going to get in 14? You are going to get 7. How many 2 are you going to get in 21? You will repeat that 21 because there will be remainder. So you now move forward by using 3 as your divisor. How many 3 are you going to get in 7 now? You repeat that 7 because there will be remainder. But how many 3 are you going to get in 21? It's 7. So you now think of another divisor. So which is 7. How many 7 are we going to get in 7 now? We get 1. How many 7 are you going to get in 7? You are going to get 1. Once you arrive to 1, you can now write out the LCM. It means the LCM of 14 and 21 is equal to 2 times 3 times 7, which is equal to 42. But don't forget, that is not your final answer, because you are asked to multiply the LCM of 14 and 21 by 3. Once you've gotten the LCM of 14 and 21 to be 42, you just multiply that 42 by 3. So, which is going to give you 121. It means your final answer is going to give you 121. Please take note of that. It's very, very important. The second question that is given to you is this: divide the LCM of 4 and 8 by 2. The first thing you have to write out, you will say how many let LCM of 4 and 8 divided by 2. So the next thing you have to do after that, now you will now write the number that is given to you, which is 4 and 8. You will now start your division by using divisor 2. How many 2 are you going to get in 4? You are going to get 2. How many 2 are you going to get in 8? You are going to get 4. Let's move on with another divisor. So how many 2 are you going to get in 2? You are going to get 1. How many 2 are you going to get in 4? You are going to get 2. So let's continue with the division by using divisor 2. How many 2 are you going to get in 1? You repeat that 1. How many 2 are you going to get in 2? Is 1. So you can now write out the LCM of 4 and 8, which is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. This is going to give you 8. But don't forget, that is not our final answer, because what you are asked to do is to find the LCM of 4 and 8 divided by 2. So once you've gotten that your LCM, you will now divide your answer by 2. That is 8 divided by 2, which is going to give you 4. So that is about that. Let us now quickly move to the last example, which is number 3. Divide the LCM of 2, 4 and 5 by 4. I repeat the question. Divide the LCM of 2, 4 and 5 by 4. So how many 2 are we going to get in 2 now? You are going to get 1. How many 2 are we going to get in 4? You are going to get 2. How many 2 are you going to get in 5? You are going to repeat that 5. So let's continue with our divisor. How many 2 are you going to get in 1? You are going to repeat that 1. How many 2 are you going to get in 2? Is 1. How many 2 are you going to get in 5? You are going to repeat that 5. So the last one, how many 5? Let us take 5 as our divisor now. How many 5 are you going to get in 1? You repeat that 1. How many 5 are you going to get in 1? You repeat that 1. But how many 5 are you going to get in 5? It's going to give you 1. So you can now write out the LCM of 2, 4 and 8, which is going to give you 2 times 2 times 5, which is equal to 20. But don't forget, that is not the final answer. So you are asked to divide your answer by 4. So therefore you are now going to say 20 divided by 4, which is going to give you 5. So I hope it's clear to you all. May Almighty Allah continue to be with us. So your own work will be sent, inshallah. Make sure you pick it and do it. My regards to your parents. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.